In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in 2026. Easy guide. We'll build this from scratch in ClickUp so you can follow along with confidence. First, we'll set up a fresh space. Hover over the spaces area in your sidebar to reveal the controls. Then choose New Space. Give your space a clear, relevant name that matches your work, and add a brief description so teammates instantly understand its purpose. When you're ready, click Continue. For a quick setup, pick the starter option, then select Create Space. That's your foundation done. Next, let's add tasks. In your new space, create a task by entering a descriptive task name and clicking Save. If you're planning multiple tasks, repeat the process and save each one as you go. Keeping task names action-oriented and specific makes everything easier to track later. Now for the core of this tutorial, subtasks. Open your parent task and add a subtask. Give it a clear title, then click Save. If you need more, select New Subtask and add another. Each subtask should represent a concrete piece of work that ladders back to the main task. This structure keeps your workflow organized and prevents scope creep. Assign your subtask to the right person. Adding assignees is crucial for accountability and ensures the right teammate gets notifications and due dates. Choose the teammate who will own the work so nothing slips through the cracks. You can also track time on your subtask. Start a timer or log time manually, and feel free to edit entries if you need to fix durations or notes after the fact. Alongside tracked time, set a time estimate for planning. Choose an estimate that reflects the effort required. For example, set it to 40 hours if that's your planned workload. Estimates help with capacity planning, while tracked time shows what actually happened. Continue refining your subtasks as needed. Add details, descriptions, or custom fields to capture requirements. Tags are great for grouping work by priority, department, or sprint, making filtering and reporting much more effective. And remember, you can create as many subtasks as you need to break the work into manageable steps. That's the flow. After you're done, you can close your windows and return anytime. Your changes are saved, and your hierarchy remains intact. Today, you created a space, added tasks, built meaningful subtasks, assigned owners, enabled time tracking, set time estimates, and organized everything with tags. This setup gives your team clarity, consistency, and speed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.